If ever I had a video, would you dance in it? Would you dance in it, in it? Oh, sunshine, you are my sunshine. Let it in, let it in. Oh,
alright guys, so hopefully the background noise, the TV is not too loud. I finally got around. Quit doing that with your nose, weirdo. Really? Anyways, you do your thing. I finally got around to doing something I wanted to do for the truck. I had been thinking about it. You know, the truck just was too quiet for me. So, it had a flowmaster muffler put on it. Oh, I had a flowmaster muffler put on it. And I don't know. When I had it put on, my friend said it would sound alright. It sounded okay when you start it up, but I'm not a big fan of flowmaster. Just, I don't know. I don't like the way they sound. It sounded okay at first, but it just is too quiet. You know, after having my charger, it's just way too quiet. So I decided cut the muffler off and put a piece of pipe there. So it's not straight pipe because it has 3 cats on it still, but no muffler. So muffler delete, and it sounds freaking amazing. Now, unfortunately, I had to do an oil change. I did the muffler delete yesterday, and then I was trying to clay bar my truck because it was getting really bad. I got the clay barring done today, this morning, but I was not able to make the video that I wanted. But I did get a start, you know, before and after, and of revving, so you could hear the difference. It's not super loud, but I think it sounds amazing. I wanted to do like some drive-bys. I wasn't able to get it done. There's so much going on. I just couldn't get to the drive-by videos. But I was able to get before and after. So the before, you'll hear a before where starts up. I did a couple revs, and then I'll add in the after the muffler was cut off, the start up, and then a couple revs. That's all I got for this video. I'll try to get maybe next weekend when I come home, try to do some drive-bys, let you guys hear what it sounds like. Otherwise, that's it for now, guys. Maybe I'll just throw in I'll throw in a picture of the truck afterwards. I clay barred it and waxed it. It was a quick wax, but I took a picture of it this morning. It started misting, so, but anyways, I'll do it anyways. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe. Sorry it hasn't been, you know, it's been a while since I made a video, but I'm going to try to at least do one a week. I've just been tight with stuff and haven't been able to do much, so thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.